allowing us to work smarter through digitalisation. Digitalisation is revolutionizing all aspects of manufacturing. Our digital twin simulation allows preliminary verification of equipment and facility operation in the digital space. It helps reduce startup time and optimize both product and production performance. Collaborative robots, cobots, work safely alongside human operators, alleviating workers from repetitive and strenuous tasks. At the same time, we make programming easier and more efficient. Operators can simply program the cobot with a visual setup on a tablet or through direct guided teaching of its position. Utilizing the advanced factory automation and IT technologies to digitalize manufacturing, together with the vast range of energy-efficient equipment, we create a smart and optimized factory. Our SCADA solutions deliver real-time data visibility for a wide array of applications in multiple industries around the world. Mobilizing real-time and historical information, we enable improvement to energy efficiency, productivity, and product quality. Advanced factory applications support various aspects of our daily life, fulfilling the needs of people. On the other hand, our automation solutions are not limited to the industrial environment. You might be able to spot it just next to you, enhancing the lives of people. Everywhere you look around you, Mitsubishi Electric is there. Mitsubishi Electric, changes for the better.